Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. We're doing a video today on a headache diet. So if you're getting a lot of headaches, you've done the stretches, you've gotten adjusted, you're drinking more water and it's just not helping, what you want to look at is your diet. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a diary and you're actually going to make any notes of foods that you're eating. I recommend using MyFitnessPal. It's a really cool calorie tracker app. It's free. But you can just do pen and paper or just an app on your phone, just something that you can write on. And what you want to do is you want to keep track of what you're eating and if you got a headache that day or the next day. Now the triggers that you're going to want to avoid to start right off on the process is you want to avoid caffeine. You're going to avoid nitrates, like stuff that's in processed meats. You're going to avoid anything with tyramine in it, which is also in like aged cheeses. It'll be in pepperoni and stuff like that, and that gets converted to an amino acid called tyrosine, and that can cause headaches too. Another thing you want to avoid is MSG, monosodium glutamate, which is found in like Asian foods. So keep all those foods out of the diet, and if you want to slowly add them in, if you're getting no headaches, you can find out which one of those triggers your headaches, and then you don't have to give up all four. You just give up one or two of them. Depends on what triggers your headaches. So go ahead and give that a shot. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.